Hello everyone, hope you're well, hope you're fine. By the way, I'm Saurabh Roy, and in today's videos, I choose a library topic. So let's talk about a library. The first question from the library topic: do you often go to library? Yes, nowadays, if I get time, so definitely I go to library. In library, I can study and I can take some book from the library. So I can say that yeah, nowadays most of the time I go to library if I get time. Then, what do you usually do in the library? Most of the time I study in the library because people only go to library to study. So I also go to library to study. Besides study, sometimes I also select some book for my study. So I can say that those type of activities normally I do after going to library. Then, did you go to the library when you were a kid? To be honest, no. I didn't go to library when I was kid. After finish my HSC HSC exam, I went to library for the very first time. So I can say that when I was kid, I didn't go to library. Last question from the library topic: do Indian kids often go to library? So I think probably nowadays, yes, because most of the parent want if their children go to library, they can see the environment. After go to library, most of the people study there, so kids can learn this environment from the library. So I think probably most of the parent forcing or trying to go to a library their child. So I think yes, nowadays most of the Indian kids often go to library. That's all about the library. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, tada.